Hands-on labs were back at Explore events in 2024, bringing one of the most popular ways to learn and use VMware software to all Explore attendees. Customers expanded their skills, experimented with new tools, and stayed current with cutting-edge VMware technology. HOL staff and volunteers spent months building 76 brand new, high-quality labs for the event. The self-paced area provides drop-in style engagements, where attendees can choose from a menu of labs to take at their own pace. Subject matter experts are on hand to answer questions and offer insights. Expert-led workshops are scheduled sessions, led by a subject matter expert, guiding attendees through a lab and sharing their insight into the product. This is our most popular engagement that generates deep discussions and probing questions from attendees. VMware Odyssey is the gamification of hands-on labs. Attendees race against the clock to configure environments and find solutions. Top contenders find their name at the top of the leaderboard and win a trophy and the ultimate bragging rights at a live, final round competition. Delivering labs doesn't stop after Explore events. Available online 24/7/365, most labs are consumed outside Explore events by users around the world, all while minimizing the time and resources required for traditional learning methods. This hands-on approach accelerates the adoption of VMware solutions and enhances practitioner confidence and expertise throughout the year.